Well, welcome to the last day. This is the video that a lot of you have been waiting for. This is the 5-day training series, how to create high converting lead capture pages for beginners. So let's recap what we've learned so far and then what we're going to go over today. On day 1, you learned how to create a lead capture page from scratch with an opt-in form. On day 2, we connected your email and we activated your GDPR disclaimer on your website without any coding, extra plugins, or any complicated integrations. On day 3, you learned how to create a confirmation page and a thank you page and how to connect those two things to your email opt-in form. On day 4, we learned how to create a long form landing page and a global footer. And today we're going to talk about the 4 C's in marketing that will help you increase your lead conversion rate. And those 4 C's are campaign, congruency, copywriting, and commonality. Knowing these 4 things will help you increase your lead conversion rate when you start putting your landing pages out there. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So with that being said, let's dig right into it. Now, before we get started, I just want to go ahead and invite you to visit my website over at www.risemarketinganddesign.com. You can send me a message, you can learn how to work with me, and if you're still struggling with selling but need to start making more sales, you can enroll in my free 5-day How to Sell Without Selling challenge and discover the exact formula I used to sponsor 450 new partners in 24 months, 100% online, and become a top producing affiliate inside my company without pitching, convincing, prospecting, picking up the phone, or slaving away on social media all day. You can go ahead and enroll for free now. All right, so let's dig right in and learn some lead conversion tips and strategies. So the first C we're going to be focusing on is your campaign. Now what I've done here is I've kind of laid out the process of the funnel that we've built so that we can zoom out and actually see how the whole thing is going to work. When you build a funnel, you obviously have to send traffic to it. You're either going to create free traffic in the form of content, like what I do with YouTube videos, or you're going to do Facebook Lives, or you're going to do blog posts, things like that. Or you're going to actually pay for advertising. Then that traffic is going to lead to that lead capture page that we built. Now, you also learned about the thank you page, and I gave you the example of creating a bridge page as your thank you page. And the reason why we want to do a bridge page and the reason why it creates higher conversions is because this is where you are able to connect with your prospect, brand yourself, and give them reasons why they should take that next step in your funnel by clicking on the button right below your video. And then we want to link them to a sales page. So basically, this is what you're doing in a nutshell. You are driving very focused, very targeted traffic through a very focused, very targeted marketing campaign so that we end up with a very focused and very targeted end result. Now, why do I keep on saying very focused and very targeted? Well, building a funnel is different than building a website. When you go to a website, it's kind of like going to the Home Depot and you are able to see everything that you offer. But a funnel funnels people into one specific laser targeted purpose. So that's basically what your campaign is in a nutshell. Your entire campaign, starting from the ad all the way up to the follow-up email sequence, needs to be in alignment with the audience that you are targeting. So we're going to get into that in just a moment as to why that is so important. Now, obviously, to build out this campaign and to build out your lead capture pages and build your list and all the things that we've done so far, you're going to need system tools. I'm going to go ahead and encourage you that you obviously use the same tools that I use to build my business, my funnels, my websites, and all that good stuff. You can go and learn more about the tool that I use, which is called Builderall. It's an all-in-one digital marketing platform. I'm not going to get into it right now. If you want to learn more about it, all you have to do is go to risewithbarbie.com/Builderall. And if you go through that process, you'll also learn about the exclusive team bonuses that I have available when you sign up with my digital marketing team. So the next thing we want to focus on is congruency. You have to be congruent throughout your funnel. Your funnel has to be speaking to the right audience, right? So we're going to give you an example of how you can mess up congruency really quickly. So remember, your ad has to match your lead capture page, has to match what you're saying on your bridge page, has to match the final offer that that person is going to end up checking out. So in this example, I used vegetarians, right? Some sort of a diet, but the target is vegetarians, right? So that is our target audience. We want to sell a weight loss product or a health and wellness product to the vegetarian crowd. So let's go look at our ad. The ad says, how to drop a dress size in 7 days eating avocados and bacon. That's a problem, okay? Because what is our problem right now? Vegetarians don't eat bacon. They'll eat avocados, but they don't eat bacon. And I know this is like the simplest form and it's almost ridiculous. This is totally should be obvious, but you know, it's easy to not speak to the right audience. I've done it many times. So you want to make sure that your message is congruent through all of your marketing. Now let's go to the lead capture page. It says, unlock the secrets to dropping 10 pounds in 10 days with keto. Okay. That is not for vegetarians. Bridge page, how the avocado and bacon diet helped me lose weight. And then the sales page says, buy the avocado and bacon keto diet program. Okay, so if you're like, oh, I want to target vegetarians with this, like, no, you can't. They don't. It's just not a fit. They don't do keto. Okay, unless there is some sort of vegetarian version of keto that I don't know about. As far as I know, vegetarians are not the right fit for bacon or anything that has to do with keto. So vegetarians do not eat bacon. Therefore, a campaign like this would not convert because you're putting this diet in front of the wrong audience. You need to keep your audience, ad, lead page, bridge page, and sales page all in alignment, and they must all match each other. So that's really, really important. The next C is copywriting. Copywriting is super duper important. We all are compelled by the power of the written word. The written word can repel. The written word can magnetize. The written word can basically inspire people to take action. Right? So you want to make sure that you are focused on good copywriting. Now, copywriting doesn't come naturally to everyone. And I've said this in other videos. I'm an okay copywriter, but I'm definitely not the best. So I personally have to use tools to help me with copywriting. But before I get into the tools that I use, let me just give you an idea of what I'm talking about. So again, your entire campaign, starting from the ad all the way to the follow-up email sequence, needs to be in alignment with the audience you are targeting. So we're adjusting our copy to speak to a make money crowd. So the ad should say something like, this system helps you earn $2,000 to $4,000 in 90 days or less. Now, when they click on that ad and they go to the lead page, now we have compelling copy that's going to arouse curiosity, but it's not going to actually tell them what it is, because at this point of the game, we just want to generate the lead so then we can show them our presentation. So an example of a headline would be, free video reveals our proven system to help you earn $2K to $4K in 90 days or less. Now they've opted in, and now we've got their attention. Right here on the bridge page is where we want to share our story as to why we joined that business to begin with. And sometimes writing that script can be a little, it can be a little bit challenging, but I've got a solution for you on how you can write an awesome bridge page video script for your funnel page. So stay with me and I will share that with you towards the end of the video. Now it says here, before I discovered this system, I was XYZ. And once I discovered this system, now I want to introduce it to you too. So this is your opportunity to brand yourself, to compel that person to learn more about you and connect with you. And then click on that link right below your video to go to the next page, which is the sales page. And as you'll notice on the sales page, our copywriting is also congruent. Learn all about this system, how it works, and how it can help you earn $2K to $4K in 90 days or less. So that sales page video is going to tie everything together. So from the ad to the lead capture page, to the bridge page, to the sales page, all your copywriting must be congruent. So you see how all the things work together? It's your campaign, congruency, copywriting. It all has to kind of like go together so that you have one laser focused targeted campaign that results in higher lead conversions. So as far as copywriting tools, I use Coversion.ai. I just started using it recently. As a matter of fact, I did a video of it to go with this particular campaign. So I will go ahead and link that video for you right below in the description box so you can check out how I use Coversion.ai. It has really helped me cut down my copywriting. It slashed my copywriting time. I literally created a sales page the other day in about an hour with Coversion.ai, and the copywriting that it outputs is really, really compelling. And if you're not a natural born copywriter, or if you're not even a great copywriter, Coversion.ai is really going to help you create awesome copy for your sales pages, landing pages, your ads, your blog posts, video ideas, and all that good stuff. If you sign up with my link right below this video, or just go to risewithbarbie.com/conversion.ai, you'll get 10,000 free credits when you sign up for a trial of Conversion.ai with my link. All right. So what is the last C in this formula? Commonality. And commonality is what you are going to establish on the bridge page. See, the whole focus of marketing is being able to buy from people that you know, like, and trust. A lot of us sell the same products. A lot of us are with the same companies. A lot of us are out there kind of doing the same thing. But what makes us different? What makes one person sign up with someone over someone else? Having a common bond with someone. If you have a common bond with someone, which is part of trusting someone, your likelihood of signing someone up based on the fact that that person can connect with your story, connect with why you joined, connect with why you used a product, connect with how it's helped you overcome a challenge that they themselves are going through and resonate with. If you can establish that on the bridge page with a video, you are going to increase not only the likelihood that they click on the link right below your video and you sell them on that click to go check out your presentation, but you're also going to get way more people to check out your presentation. You're going to increase that lead conversion that occurs right between the bridge page and the sales page. And if what you're selling them solves a problem that they are trying to solve, and they resonate with you on that bridge page, your chances of having a higher lead conversion that ends up into a sale is a lot higher. So on your bridge page, you want to use your story to relate to your new lead and sell them on the click to watch your presentation. Now, I know that a lot of this sounds complicated, and if you're pretty new, you probably don't know exactly how to do this and you don't know where to start. But it's really, really important, and I hope that by now you understand that building the pages alone will not success make. You have to understand the campaign. You have to understand congruency. You have to understand copywriting, and you have to understand commonality. And if I had to choose which one of them is the most powerful, I'd probably say commonality. Having that common bond with that person and knowing that they can trust to buy from you is one of the most important pieces of this whole process, which is why I created this mini course called the Bridge Page Video Secrets. Inside my Bridge Page Video Secrets, I share with you step by step exactly how to create a bridge page video script that will help you convert more people from your bridge page to actually watching your presentation and hopefully making a sale for you. If you want to learn more about Bridge Page Video Secrets, I will have a link right below this video. Right now, at the time of this video, the course is almost ready to launch. So if you want to check it out, all you have to do is get on the wait list if you want to get first notification as soon as the product launches. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, don't be intimidated. It is less than $100 and it's going to be value packed. I walk you step by step because I've been where you are. I was completely new, completely green in the beginning of this industry. I had no idea what I was doing, but through video marketing, through sharing my story, through using all of these tips and strategies that I shared with you, I was able to finally break through in this industry and be able to sponsor so many people with just funnels. I don't have to pick up the phone. I don't have to chase friends and family. And I definitely don't have to be slipping into people's DMs asking them to check out my opportunity. So your bridge page video is going to be one of those really high compelling tools that is going to help you increase your sales conversions. If you want to get on the first notification list when I launch this mini course to the public, all you have to do is go to risewithbarbie.com/BPVS, which is Bridge Page Video Secrets waitlist. Well, guys and gals, I truly hope that you enjoyed this 5-day video series. I hope that you learned something. I know that a lot of you got your capture pages up and running. So if you did, I would love to see them. Go to my website at www.risemarketinganddesign.com/content. And if you want to show me your project, send me a message through there and I might feature you on a future video. So thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. I truly hope that this was of value to you. And if you want to learn how to work with me further or join my digital marketing team, I will have all those links right for you right below this video. And finally, if you found this training helpful and you want to get in contact with me, here's where you can find me. You can check me out on Facebook over at facebook.com/Barbie Figueroa online. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're not there right now, just simply go to youtube.com/Barbie Figueroa and hit that subscribe button. Or you can send me a message over at risemarketinganddesign.com/contact. So thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.